underwater world. Today, we are going to explore marine life, the plants and animals that live in the oceans and seas. Get ready to dive in and discover some fascinating creatures that share our planet. Crabs and hermit crabs. First, let's meet the crabs. Crabs are animals with hard shells and strong claws. They have 10 legs and often walk sideways. There are thousands of different kinds of crabs. Some live in the ocean, while others live on land or rocky shores. Hermit crabs are special. They do not have a hard shell of their own, so they borrow empty snail shells to protect their soft bodies. When they grow bigger, they move into a bigger shell, just like changing houses. Starfish, sea stars. Next, we see the beautiful starfish, also called sea stars. They usually have 5 arms, but some may have many more. Even though they live in the sea, starfish are not fish. Starfish can do something truly magical. If one of their arms breaks off, they can grow a new one. Some can even grow a whole new body from just one arm. They move using tiny tube-like suckers underneath their bodies. Starfish do not have a brain or blood, but they survive perfectly in the ocean. Seahorses. Now say hello to the seahorse. Seahorses look like tiny swimming horses. They are small, colorful, and live in warm, shallow waters near sea plants and reefs. Here's something surprising. The male seahorse carries the babies in a pouch. Seahorses have no teeth and no stomach, so they have to eat very often to stay alive. Seals, sea lions, and walruses. Seals, sea lions, and walruses are soft-looking sea mammals. They breathe air just like us, but love spending time in the ocean. Seals have short flippers and slide on their bellies when they come onto land. Sea lions have long flippers and can walk on land. Walruses are the biggest and have long tusks. They are gentle swimmers and love resting together in groups. Sharks. Sharks are some of the oldest animals on Earth. They have lived in the oceans for millions of years. Sharks come in many shapes and sizes. Some are small, while others grow longer than a bus. Sharks have rows and rows of sharp teeth. If one tooth falls out, another one grows in its place. They are powerful hunters and are very important for keeping the ocean healthy. Octopuses. Octopuses are truly amazing creatures. They have 8 arms, 3 hearts, and no bones, which helps them squeeze into tiny spaces. They are very smart and can solve puzzles. When danger comes, an octopus can hide by changing its color or by squirting ink into the water. They are great escape artists. Jellyfish. Look at the floating jellyfish. They drift gently through the ocean and are made mostly of water. Some jellyfish glow in the dark, and others have long tentacles that help them catch food. Jellyfish have been on Earth longer than dinosaurs. Sea turtles. Sea turtles are gentle reptiles that have lived in the oceans for over 100 million years. They breathe air, so they must come to the surface to take a breath. Mother turtles crawl onto sandy beaches to lay their eggs. Baby turtles hatch and hurry into the sea. Their hard shell protects them from enemies, and they can live for many, many years. Lobsters. Lobsters are strong ocean animals with long bodies and big claws. They live on the sea floor and hide among rocks. Some lobsters can live for more than 50 years. The biggest lobsters can weigh as much as a large dog. Eels. Eels look like long, slippery snakes, but they are fish. They hide in cracks and rocks and come out mostly at night. Some eels can even make electricity to scare enemies and catch prey. Manatees? Manatees are also called sea cows. They are slow-moving, gentle giants that eat plants growing underwater. Manatees are friendly and peaceful animals and can grow as long as a small car. Whales. Whales are the largest animals on Earth. They are mammals, so they breathe air, give birth to babies, and feed them milk. The blue whale is the biggest of all, bigger than any dinosaur. Whales also sing beautiful songs to communicate with each other. Dolphins. Dolphins are playful, intelligent, and friendly. They love to swim in groups and can jump high out of the water. Dolphins use sounds called clicks and whistles to talk to each other and find food. Some dolphins even help humans at sea. Penguins. Penguins are birds that cannot fly, but they are excellent swimmers. They live mostly in cold places like Antarctica. Penguins waddle on land, but zoom like rockets underwater while catching fish. Stingrays. Stingrays have flat bodies and wide fins that look like wings. They glide smoothly along the ocean floor. Some stingrays have a stinger on their tail that they use only for protection. Deep sea creatures. In the deepest parts of the ocean, sunlight cannot reach. It is dark, cold, and quiet, but even here, animals live. Some can glow in the dark, some have huge mouths, some look strange and spooky, but each one is perfectly designed for life in the deep sea world. The ocean is a magical place filled with wonderful creatures of every shape and size. All marine life is important. We must protect our ocean so that these amazing animals can live safely for many years to come. Thank you for diving into the underwater world with us today.